Welcome to the virtual early input opportunity meeting, which includes the properties at 1578 to 1590 Hunter Street within the Lower Lynn Center area. Thank you for tuning in to learn more about our proposal. This presentation gives an overview of our preliminary rezoning application. As part of the application process, we want to hear from you. You can review project information online and provide feedback from September 18th to October 2nd, 2023. The application process is being led by Lotus Capital Corp. Lotus Capital is a Vancouver-based real estate investment and development company. With over 20 years of experience in asset and development management, Lotus commits to developing livable communities through desirable and affordable housing projects. Lotus Capital engaged Integra Architecture to provide architectural services for this development project. Integra has extensive experience in all types of residential buildings, mixed-use projects, as well as renovations and seniors housing. The firm previously won the District of North Vancouver Advisory Design Panel Award of Excellence for the Belle Isle Townhomes project in 2022. Lotus Capital has been involved in many real estate deals in different asset classes over the years, but here are a few that are comparable to this proposal. Lotus completed the Stella project in the city of Vancouver in 2006. Similarly, Lotus has two active multifamily projects in the city of North Vancouver as well as in the city of Vancouver that are set to be completed in 2025. The District of North Vancouver has identified 4 town and village centers to accommodate future growth, including the Lynn Valley Town Center, Lower Lynn Town Center, Maplewood Village Center, and Lower Capilano. This site is within the Lower Lynn Town Center plan. As a part of this plan, the subject site is identified as a candidate for rezoning as a medium-density apartment building. The official community plan vision in the Lower Lynn Town Center plan is to be a transit-oriented mixed-use community comprised of a wide range of housing types for people for all stages of life, all incomes, with accessible places of work, convenient shopping, and amenities. As seen in this development context map, there are quite a few active development applications within Lynn Creek. From the preliminary application stage, where our application currently resides, all the way to applications that are approved or under construction. Lotus Capital's vision for future development on these properties is to provide a high-quality, purpose-built rental building that conforms and enhances the surrounding neighborhood and community. Our proposal aims to provide 89 secured rental housing units. Homes will range in sizes from studio apartments to 3-bedroom units. 100% of the units in the building will satisfy the District of North Vancouver's basic accessible design, with 5% including enhanced accessible design, along with 10% of the units to be below market rentals. There is an existing lane owned by the DNV that will be purchased and assembled into the development site area upon rezoning approval. The proposed building will include 6 levels of residential floors over 1 level of underground parking. Additionally, there will be an indoor common amenity space on the 5th floor, which will be directly connected to the 925 square foot outdoor amenity space where residents will enjoy its south-facing sun exposure. As mentioned previously, the proposal includes 89 rental units throughout the 6-story building with 1 level of underground parking, comprised of 52 vehicle parking stalls. The total density proposed in the application is calculated at a 2.99 floor space ratio. Lotus commits to developing this building with a sustainability target of Step Code 3 under the BC Building Code with low GHG emissions. Given the location of the site and its proximity to the bike network, Lotus proposes to provide 156 units of bike storage as well. As a part of the vision of the Lower Lynn Town Center area, the proposal aims to provide immense transportation benefits to the community. a 4.5 meter wide road dedication along Hunter Street and 3.1 meter wide road dedication along Orwell Street will be provided to the city for future off-site improvements. A 2-meter landscape setback is taken on the west property line to integrate the new development with the OCP proposed green spine running north to south from Fern Street to Hunter Street, leading to Marie Place Park and onwards to the south. Off-site improvements on Orwell Street will include enhancements to the bike route network. Lotus commits to developing buildings with community and sustainability at the forefront. We strive to provide housing with great proximity to local transportation, incentivize sustainable transportation, and implement building operating systems that have high energy and water conservation, as well as low carbon energy. The development site in this proposal has immense benefits for the community. Some of the benefits in this application include the improved housing diversity, types, and price ranges for future residents. The location of our site is very pedestrian and bike friendly. The building will be directly connected to both the proposed Green Spine pedestrian greenway and the Orwell bike lane, as well as other green spaces within a 5-minute walking distance. Other community benefits include our proximity to schools such as Capilano University, the Phibbs Exchange, as well as the town center area. Since we have reviewed the details of our application, here's a snapshot as to what the project timeline will look like throughout the rezoning and entitlement process with the District of North Vancouver. While the timeline is subject to change, we anticipate that we'll be presenting our proposal to the advisory design panel by the end of 2023, followed by a public hearing in June of 2024, with the intent to have our rezoning in the fall of 2024. With all intents and purposes, we would anticipate that we will be in the ground in early 2025. Thank you for tuning in. We welcome your feedback on our preliminary rezoning application at 1578 to 1590 Hunter Street.